Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix pending payments in PayPal. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically here in this video, I'm just going through this PayPal support article, and from here we can learn why this problem occurs and how we can solve it. So as you can see here, if a payment you sent is pending or unclaimed, it means just the recipient hasn't received or hasn't accepted the payment yet. So simply, if the payment is pending, you will need just from the recipient either to accept or that means that he didn't receive the payment yet. It might be a problem from your bank or your receiver, etc. So to solve this problem, either you can cancel this payment or just wait, or you can cancel it and then resend the payment so you can check if the recipient didn't receive or couldn't accept the payment. So to cancel an unclaimed payment or a pending payment, you will need just to go to activity and basically you will find it in your menu, and from there you can find all your payments. So as you can see, it will become or it will see you will see all your payments there. You can go to the pending one and then you click on it and click on cancel payment. And basically here there is an additional information, and the payment will be pending or unclaimed if the recipient has opted not to automatically accept certain payments. And this could be payments either not in the preferred currency or from buyers with unconfirmed addresses. And you won't have the option to cancel the payment yourself in this case, and the recipient need to accept or deny the payments within 30 days. And if he didn't accept or deny, it will be automatically cancelled, and then after 30 days you will get your money back and make and you will need to know that refunds to bank accounts may take up to 5 business days. So you will need just to be waiting in this case, and basically that's it. So thank you for watching and see you next time.